I asked my cousin how he knew. I wish I hadn't. Hello, guys. I came across this Reddit post, and it is a story of someone from childhood. I don't know if it's true or not, but it's really creepy. So, I thought of sharing it with you guys. So, how it starts? I don't know if I should even post this because it sounds insane written out. But this happened, I still don't have any explanation. When I was around 13, I used to stay at my grandmother's house in our village during summers. Old house, no proper locks, frequent power cuts, the kind of place where every sound at night feels louder. My grandmother had one rule she repeated weirdly seriously. If someone calls your name after everyone is asleep, don't respond. I thought it was just village superstition. Until one night, I woke because she was sitting up in the bed, completely awake, staring at the door. I whispered, "What happened?" And she pressed her hand over my mouth so hard it hurt. Then I heard someone outside saying my name. It sounded like my mother. My mother wasn't there. I remember trying to get up because I thought maybe she had arrived late from town. But my but my grandmother actually started crying and held me down. That scared me more than the voice. I had never seen her scared of anything. The voice kept speaking softly, asking me to open the door. Then it stopped. Nothing dramatic happened after that. That's what made it worse. Just silence until morning. My grandmother never explained it. She died the next year. Before dying, she just told me, if you hear family calling at night, pretend to sleep. I forgot about it mostly until years later. I was living alone in a rented flat and woke one night because I had the feeling someone was in the room. You know that horrible instinct? I didn't see anything, but I felt watched. I didn't move for maybe an hour. Next morning, I found muddy marks near the side of my bed. I told myself maybe from my own feet. Still, it bothered me. Then small things started happening that I kept rationalizing. Waking up with my bedroom door open when I remember locking it. Finding lights on. Once waking in the kitchen without remembering getting there. I thought stress, sleep issues, maybe parasomnia. I even recorded myself sleeping once. What scared me wasn't anything paranormal. It was seeing I regularly sat up in the middle of the night and stared at the foot of bed for long periods, completely asleep. I didn't know I did that. I called my uncle about my grandmother's warning. He got quiet. I asked if I had ever answered the voice that night. I remembered I had whispered "Mama" once. He didn't say after that anything, just changed the topic. That bothered me for weeks. Few months later, I visited my mother. At breakfast, she casually asked why I had been outside her room around 3 a.m. the night before. I told her I hadn't left my room. She laughed and said she heard me whispering outside her door. I didn't laugh because I genuinely had no memory of that. That was the first time I wondered if something was wrong with me. Last month, I went back at my grandmother's abandoned house, mostly out of curiosity. My uncle showed me an old notebook of hers. Inside, she had written dates of nights she heard calling, like a journal. One entry mentioned me. He answered once. I wish I had never seen that. Since then, I have been sleeping badly, checking doors over and over. Then something happened yesterday I can't explain. I was cleaning under my bed for the first time in ages. There was a folded piece of paper under there. I assumed trash. It was in my own handwriting. I don't remember writing it. It said, if you wake up and someone is standing near the bed, don't open your eyes. I laughed at once because I thought maybe I wrote it half asleep. Then I checked the back, dated 3 years ago. I moved into this apartment 8 months ago. I had no explanation for that. I barely slept last night. This morning I checked my phone and saw I had made an outgoing call at 3:11 to my own number. Call duration 11 seconds. I was asleep, or I think I was. I was already shaken, but made me post this is what happened just now. While typing, I got a message from my mother. Only one line. Why did you call me at 3 a.m. and ask if grandma is still under my bed? I never called her. She had sent a voice note too. 11 seconds. I stared at it for 5 minutes before opening it. It was mostly static. Then my mother crying. Then whispering, don't move. I froze reading that because I was sitting on my bed. And right after listening, I felt movements under the mattress. Not under the bed, inside it. Like something shifted below me. I jumped off so hard, I hit the wall. Then my phone rang. My mother calling. First thing she said was, why did you send me that photo? I sent nothing. She forwarded it. It came from my number at 3:12 a.m. It was a picture of my room in darkness, taken from floor level, as if from under the bed. You can see me asleep, and beside the bed, someone standing. My mother said it looked like grandma. I left the apartment that night. Haven't gone back. 2 days later, my landlord called, saying workers moved my bed and found long scratches carved into floorboards underneath. Deep ones, like fingernails. I thought that was the end. Last night, I got another message from my own number. Just one photo. Taken in the room I am staying in now. While I was asleep from under the bed. And this time I noticed something I missed before. Someone was lying beside me. I thought it was a blanket at first. Then I zoomed in and saw a face, eyes open, looking at the camera. I haven't slept since. While writing this just now, I got another message. No text, just a new image. Still downloading, I'm scared to open it. Because the thumbnail already shows my room, taken live from somewhere near the floor, and in the corner, I can see my bedroom door slowly opening. That's the story. Thank you for listening.